neglected some elements of your home repair during the pandemic, well, now it's time to get prepared. Just like people didn't go to the doctor for festering medical problems, your home may need some TLC, and now we're gonna solve them. Get your roof inspected for issues to be detected. You don't want leaks. Leaks are expensive. Check your water drainage. Is your yard waterlogged? What about your sewer? Does it smell or is it clogged? Does your HVAC need fixing? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Those are pricey issues, but if you wait and things get worse, you could need a lot more tissues. Many things you can fix yourself or with the help of a handy neighbor.
Anytime.
Take the time to make an inventory and then knock them out like Han Solo and his lightsaber. The important thing is not to dwell on past mistakes. It's to build a solid home maintenance foundation and give yourself a break.